Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're tired of wondering where your money goes each month, the PocketGuard app is here to save the day. It's a fantastic tool that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and keep your finances in check. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of using PocketGuard, step by step, so you can start managing your money like a pro. First things first, let's get the app on your device. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for PocketGuard. Once you find it, tap Download and install it. It's free to start, with optional premium features if you need more advanced tools. Now that it's installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to create an account. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify your details. If you already have an account, simply log in. Next, it's time to connect your financial accounts. PocketGuard makes this easy and secure. Select the option to link banks, credit cards, or even investment accounts. The app uses bank-level encryption, so your data stays safe. Follow the prompts to authorize the connections, and in a few minutes, your transactions will start syncing. With your accounts linked, let's dive into setting up budgets. Tap on the Budgets tab, where you can create categories like groceries, entertainment, or utilities. Set a monthly limit for each one based on your financial goals. PocketGuard will automatically track your spending against these budgets, alerting you if you're getting close to your limits. Super helpful for avoiding overspending. As you use the app, you'll love the dashboard that shows your total guarded money, which is basically how much you have left after bills and savings. You can also manually add transactions if needed, categorize expenses, and generate reports to see your spending patterns over time. It's all about giving you a clear picture of your finances. Wrapping this up, PocketGuard is a must-have for anyone wanting to build better money habits. It takes the guesswork out of budgeting and puts you in control. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and download PocketGuard today. Let's get your finances on track. Thanks for watching.